Recently, a significant political scandal has surfaced involving Danmore Membondiani, a member of the Zanu PF Youth National League in Zimbabwe. Now, what makes this story so captivating? Well, Danmore was suspended for allegedly attempting to bribe not one, but two ministers. Political positions often come with power and prestige, and it seems the temptation was too great for Danmore. He reportedly targeted these ministers, hoping that their influence could pave his way to the top. But as we see, things didn't go as planned. The suspension is just the beginning. It sets off a chain reaction. Investigations are likely to follow, and perhaps, just perhaps, this could be a stepping stone towards more stringent measures against corruption in Zimbabwe. As citizens and global observers, it's crucial to keep our eyes on these developments. Each action taken against corruption is a step towards better governance and a fairer society. And while the road may be long and fraught with obstacles, each scandal brought to light reinforces the call for transparency and integrity.